ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ka Sengsan Prathai United Democratic Party hak sngi thoding jong ka santarik urumphang arajar arphuai kala shong ye ka jingelang jong ka Central Executive Committee ne ka benta ban Thaw ye ka committee ka bakerpang kum ka Pynkhreh ya ke election MDC she ka yeng dorbar Thaw an jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council u working president ka UDP uba Alan Tri Dekhar habaya keren bat ka Batisi TV ulayatho bahakani ka committee bakerpang an sepenrung ru yang gidkhot na ke district committee jong kerilom Garo kenang baka Pynkhreh ya kani ke election kan dublong ka basai so kata nadu ka budget ya ki kertong ban ya aireng ha kani ke election bat kumjuru ban Pynkhreh na ka benta ka jinglai yalap election.
This committee that was newly constituted today will deliberate upon this and come up with a manifesto drafting committee, after which only we can release it to the public domain. Like I said, this committee has been empowered with all the authority of the State Election Committee to look into all matters related to the elections of the GHADC. So it's only until this committee meets and deliberates that the answers can be delivered to you. After much deliberation amongst the members, it was decided that a special committee would be constituted wherein a member from each district committee of Garo Hills and a few members from the CEC will comprise to form the Committee on Elections to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And this committee will take care of all the management right from the selection of candidates and also take care of the campaign program and all other election related issues with regards to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. The president of the party will be leaving for William Nagar on the 12th, and on the 12th the decision will be arrived at as to when will the first meeting of the committee be held to lay out the modalities, the programs related to the election to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. As of now, we have already been informed that there are over 15 constituencies in which there are applicants. Several constituencies have more than one applicant. So with the passage of time, we figure that we may be able to field candidates in all the constituencies, or may just fall short by a few. Ki padba kita ban susu no makin jet ki dong iman ki badan kata kabor perkhat ni kasap bantri akan ikam sensar kadar kang ba banlat na kitu kirukom thungkam thungjam klem dapat yaklawe. The problem ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council but kumju ru ha Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council kolong kaju malashu thung klem kanu ka nongrim klem kanu ka jing.com bapenlong ya ka council penhapkit ya kani galikor ka baki tendrong daladi dakini inong nikmat ki bapan bawa je tiklade ka por ba ki panba nongjiet hapo Meghalaya hi borok kawai kila di ban kendet ban riau nak mendai ban susongsit tang haka por cabut haki bat sa pindi haki rukom roke hendai ban bitbinya wa kinong hikmat kibajiet kide kibalar kam kibala ban kentiu gayo kokot bat ai hangi galawai kabasngai